Hi, yes. Next topic, slideshow tab. There, rehearse timings. This option is explained in this video. How to use the rehearse timings, how to give the slides timings. Using timing slides automatically, how to one by one displayed. Rehearse timings, where it is slideshow tab, there rehearse timings. What is useful this? Start a full screen slideshow in which you can rehearse your presentation. The amount of time you spend on each slide recorded, and you can save those timings to run the show automatically in the future. Give the ones rehearsed timings. The slides will automatically comes to the one by one and display the number of slides. Any one is there. How to use it? See here, I am taking 5 slides on here. How to open the first rehearse times. Now, first you given to the any animations such as this one animations given to the slide by slide wise. How to display the slideshow? You using the left click of mouse or keyboard arrow keys. Both are not using. How to comes to one by one display to the slide by slide in slideshow. First you check how to display what. Where is this displayed? The right click, the slideshow. The slideshow is that clicking after it comes to the only blank page only displayed. Otherwise you clicking on the mouse automatically comes to one by one in the using clicking mouse. The slide by slide open. In this process the reference using after how to without using of mouse. How to comes to back? Click escape. Escape normally display the PowerPoint window. Where it is first, you clicking first slideshow. There you click the rehearse timings. Once you click after, that comes to the automatically in the slideshow. See here, timing will displayed on here. Clicking the one by one, any slide using to the left side timing will be slide by slide. Your mouse is using to slide by slide. It one started the timings. Start the timings. I am open, closing that. Now comes to I am third slide. Is here, see, once observed the timing will be started to 1. Okay, started the first one. How much time you using on the slide? To dialog box open. You given to the all slides rehearses over after. In this dialog box open, the total time slides in the slow 46. Do you want to keep the new slide timings using when you view on the slideshow? Yes. This after displayed on this. What is this? Each slide how much you given to the time. This is normal. In this one, where it is using, go to the view tab. After slide master, what is this? Slide sorter. What is the use of slide sorter? View the presentation of slide sort. View the easily reference slides. See here, how much given to time on here? Which slide? Here first slide 10, second slide 18, this one 3, 6, 9. This is the useful of reference of timings. After normally comes to the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, how in reference timings after how to display the slideshow. Reference timings after how to display the slideshow. It given to the already timing on there. Now just click slideshow. You already given to the time. So automatically comes one by one. Okay, see here again, practice on this slideshow. Their rehearse time, each one moving after slide by slide. The left side of the time will be started time. Started time is come. Okay, left side of the time, start to the time. Again third slide, the automatically started time use 34. Okay, after modify the timings of reference. Any time you using the slide, depending on the slides, depending on the project, you given to the slide by slide, given the timings. So this is called a rehearse timings. Now you calculate reference time, how to useful. Without mouse using, it comes to automatically. Reference time given after the useful time which you given to the used time, that time is using, comes to the automatically. The reference time is useful, the slide by slide automatically displayed. Without using mouse, without using the arrow keys, the time is only useful. This is called a reference. How to comes to back? Escape. Now open view. There slide sorter. Displayed how much money gives to the useful the used the timings. How much time you will be given there. Okay, and each slide, first slide 11, second slide 7, 3, 6, 7. Okay, this is the reference slide show their reference timings. Reference time is useful, the automatically you given to the time of the amount of the time they spend the each slide recorded, and you can save the timings and show the automatically in the future further. Okay, automatically given the which timing given, that time only displayed. After it comes to the automatically, it comes to the one by one, how much time you displayed, that time only you started to work without using the mouse and without using the arrow keys and mouse, the reference will be displayed. Okay, this is called a now you see useful reference time. Okay, how to comes to a normal way, you and there normal. Okay, how to slide sorter given to the slide sorter. Okay, this is normal, this is slide sorter. Okay, both are using on there. this is called a reference time. Reference time where is displayed slideshow there. Reference time, once you given to the reference time, the slides will be automatically displayed in your slideshow. Thank you viewers, this is the topic on that. The next video, new topic I will come. Next, anyone first saw the my videos, and please subscribe and share and like the videos. A reference timing given that before you know the mustard should animations and transitions and designs. These three are available in my channel. This is mustard should you understanding the topics. The three are topics understood, the slideshow will be automatically understood. Okay, without this three are not understood is not comfortable for your understanding. Okay, thank you.